Have you ever sat through a video presentation at a medical conference and thought, my God, I can't watch this? Don't worry, you are not alone. I recently attended a conference and noticed many avoidable video presentation mistakes. In this video, I'll highlight common pitfalls and share simple fixes to make your next video presentation clear, professional, and impactful. For optimal video quality, capture static slides or simple animations in 1080p at 30 frames per second. Increase to 60 frames per second when there's significant motion. There is a difference in the bitrate requirement also for videos with more motion with keyframe interval of 1 to 2 seconds. If you are not sure, record in the highest quality possible and export with the required parameters after editing. Sometimes we notice that the field of surgery goes out of the viewing window. This should be avoided. A quick fix would be to use the microscope XY to recenter, asking the patient to fixate, keeping the limbus symmetric, zooming out slightly, or stabilizing the globe with a second instrument. Use a professional microphone for narration. Large halls add echo, background noise, and public address system compression, so low quality recordings quickly lose intelligibility. If you don't have a professional mic, a quiet room phone and wired lav is best. If not, a high quality AI voiceover works. Music should preferably be avoided. This time I noticed that even when the music was supposedly not very loud, it still distracted from the narration. One particular time there were voices in the audio asking a child to look in various directions while checking extraocular movements. The speaker spoke over this audio and finally neither was understandable. If you wish to speak, mute the video background speech or noise or music or whatever is there. If you are demonstrating a specific technique or complication, for example during nucleus cracking or IOL insertion, there is no need to show the main incision or rhexis in detail just to show off surgical technique. Give brief context, then cut straight to the relevant part of the video. Simple one-line annotations greatly contribute to understanding of important steps. However, anything more than this will greatly distract from the video. Such extra information can be included in the narration or pause the video, display the necessary text against a different background and then continue the video. If you don't stick to the time limit, you will have to cut short the video and your presentation will fall flat. If it is your own video, say so. People will definitely appreciate your skills. If you are using another's video, give attribution. Finally, avoid the mistakes and win the audience. So that's it for today. For video editing services, reach out to us via email or WhatsApp using these contact details. Thank you.